Alright, so first ride 2021. Out at the power station, or getting close to it. 4 amigos today. That's a Tesla. So, yeah. Beautiful day. Lots of nice cars out. Motorcycles. Not somewhere I come very often, but it's nice. Nice open road. Ooh, I just got a big bumblebee right to the windscreen.
Ooh, I am not going through that.
Yep, gonna wait. That's okay. First ride of the season, I'd rather not die. It's a nice country road just going up to Hayward Lake. It's a nice it's a nice lots out here, eh? Do it, do it! Oh, you freaking... Why? Ah, don't do it now. Okay. Heading out into the hillside. Pretty out here. Already got nailed by a bee on my visor, so I've been broken into the season, initiated. It's KTM. Lots of bikes out everywhere. Good first ride. Power station, Stave Falls, Hayward Lake, Stave Lake. Lovely day here. Go find some camping at Stave Lake. My first ride, so I'm not going to get too crazy. Oh, this freaking... Yeah, watch these grades. Freaking things. Yeah, you see it. Stay to the right. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty, that's pretty tricky. I'm going super slow. I was in third, had to go down to second. See it, thank you. Caught up to the Harleys. They're just cruising. Out for a good time, that's alright. This is so pretty, wow. What a great ride. Hey, you've got the jiggly signals too. Oh yeah. Not as bad as my upset, but further back. Yeah. Yamaha finally got rid of the jiggly signals. These are nice roads. Wow. Dave is just fearless with the leaning, no problem. Yeah, he's always been a pretty good leaner. Oh, like counter leaning or whatever it is, like putting your torso up. So it looks like it's been replanted. Are you gonna give that thing a tail tie, Ian? It's not too bad, you know. It doesn't, yeah, it's not terrible. It's not like this bike or Lyle's. Oh, look at that, that's cool. Oh. Wow. Is it just me or did it smell really funny? It was like the big ass tires like wearing out or something, or wearing through? No. This is it here?
We are turning.
Yeah, turning left. Turning.
Right ahead?
Yep. Straight ahead. Just pulling up to the... Yep. Very nice. Ah, cool. Look at that. That's really cool.
Yeah, that's a nice scrambler, man.
Suzuki Savage? Oh, cool. So cute. Rod
and gun club.
shooting range probably up there.
Rifle, pistol, shotgun, cowboy action.
Cowboy action. Woo!
Okay, so we gotta remember where that little turn off is.
Nice and slow here. Let the fapping commence. Yeah, this is fantastic.